Is your Tfsa looking a little lonely? Let's fix that by transferring funds from your RBC checking or savings account. Why Euro? It's easier than you think. First, log into your RBC online banking account through the website or the mobile app. Once you're in, look for the transfer funds option. It's usually located in the main menu or dashboard. Click on it. You'll now see the transfer screen. From the From Account drop-down menu, select the RBC checking or savings account where the money is currently located. This is where the funds will be coming from. Next, in the To Account drop-down, carefully choose your tax-free savings account or Tfsa. Double-check the account number to ensure you're selecting the correct one. Why Euro? You don't want to accidentally send it to the wrong place. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer to your Tfsa. Keep in mind your Tfsa contribution limits for the year. RBC will usually show a reminder of your remaining contribution room. Review all the details on the confirmation screen one last time. Make sure the From Account, To Account, and the amount are all accurate. If everything looks good, click the Confirm button. Congratulations, your transfer is complete. You've just boosted your Tfsa savings. Now you can access your transaction history to double-check your recent transaction. Enjoy the benefits of tax-free growth.